Hi everyone, in this video I will share how to export contacts in Omnisend Audience. Go to the Audience tab, then here you will click the Export tab button, and here you will click the New Export button. After clicking the New Export button, here you will see this four options: all contacts, subscribe to email, non-subscribe to email, unsubscribe from email. Select the one you need from these four options. After select your option, you will press the export button and your contact list is export. Thank you so much for my watching videos. If you have any question, please comment to me. I will surely reply for you.